The next thing we're going to look at is the period of the graph. The period is describing the horizontal stretch, again, could be called compression of a sinusoidal function. The equations are going to have a b value right in front of the x, all right? A would be in front here if we put it together, but this is just the b value here. So to find the period, we use the b value in the following formula. The period is equal to 2 pi divided by b. Now that's a formula you're going to have to memorize. Luckily, it's an easy one to use. If your graph was in degrees, you would take 360 divided by the b value. So it's always 1 revolution divided by the b value. If I was to rearrange this formula to solve for b, I would cross multiply to get that, and then to get b by itself, I would divide off the period. So that's where this comes about. We won't use that till we're writing equations. We're going to use just this one because we'll be given the b value in the question. Now I put a star beside this statement because this is going to be one of the most important parts right here. So to help you graph accurately, you're going to use the b value to find the period, and then divide the period by 4 to determine the distance of 4 equal segments. This will also help you choose an appropriate scale on your x-axis. So I do this before I put my scale in. So I'm just going to use a picture of coasts that I already have drawn here, just to show you that there are in one period, there are 4 equal segments. So after your starting part, you plot 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Or you can think about it as, right, 4 sort of changes or quadrants. So that's why we divide by 4 when we're doing this. So we will look at example 6 next in the next video so that you can see how to graph using the b value.